Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! From cutting boxes to installing carpet, the utility knife is probably one of the most useful tools, so why not make sure that the knife scraper you have is of top-notch quality? The small utility knife packs a lot of functionality into a limited space and can easily be slid in and out of your pocket whenever you need it. This is the 21st century, where cutting cables and going wireless is the new trend. With this mini Bluetooth keyboard, you can easily navigate through your car entertainment screen and your TV, which is otherwise not so easy task. Moreover, you can connect it to your PC and use it as your gaming pad. Another amazing thing about this keyboard is that because of its powerful lithium-ion battery, you can use it continuously for 10 days. Biking is one of the most fun sports which can keep you healthy and fit, but sadly not everyone has access to open wide spaces which can entertain biking. But with this new generation bike called Blink, you can easily connect it to VR and enjoy the full biking experience within the realms of your house. Not only that, you can also play it with your friends so you don't miss out on anything. If you are holidaying near a lake and things are getting boring, no worries then. With this hyper-realistic Crocodile Head, you can play a great prank and enjoy good laughs later on. Thanks to its high-quality plastic, it is durable and offers a super realistic touch. It can easily float on the water and can be controlled with a smartphone. Making perfect coffee is no less than art. Do you also wish to make that coffee like cafes but are never able to do so? Say no more, because with this smart electric kettle, the temperature up to which water is heated can be controlled. On top of that, it also controls the angle and speed of water flow, so all the beginners can easily master the art of coffee making. I am sure of how we have all gone through that mini heart attack when we cannot find the keys in our pocket. This is the modern time, and if all your things are smart, so why not a smart report key? Now, you can unlock your car, open your home, have access to your safe, and call the emergency helpline with just one single key. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Do you hate drinking your beer or soda from that tiny hole? We have a great treat for you then. With this new generation can opener, you can have a wide access to your drinks and make your favorite drink combinations with ease. No, the edges won't hurt your lips because its 4 rotational blades split and fold the lid as it rotates, thus creating a smooth rim. Back in the 1970s, the mini computer meant a machine which occupied the whole room. But now in 2022, a mini PC means a small box which you can easily carry around anywhere and convert any screen to your personal computer. Don't judge this PC by its size, because it is equipped with all the features you expect for high-end gaming. So, if you're looking for portability with certain priorities, this mini PC is an amazing option for you. No matter how careful you are while driving or how far you park your car from other vehicles, there are always the chances that someone will bump into your car and destroy its appearance. For such small dents, going to a workshop is expensive and time-consuming. This Paintless dent repair kit pulls out the dent by strongly sticking to it, and its bottom is made of rubber so it will not damage the body of the car. Are you tired of taking care of and switching your wrenches for different tasks? This adjustable multifunctional wrench is here to ease your pain. It provides a firm grip, which allows you to apply torque over large areas, and its ergonomic design makes it possible to reach those inaccessible corners. Moreover, it can be used with equal ease with either of the hands. During conferences or meetings involving a large number of people, the major concern is that everyone hears what others are saying, and everyone gets to convey their opinion to others. With this speaker, both of these functions can easily be achieved. Place this sleek designer speaker on your table, and its high-quality speakers will make sure that the sound reaches everyone, and everyone can easily voice out their opinion. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.